Hey, if I would have thought when I was a kid, when I grow up, I'm going to make videos on how to wash clothes. What? I already made one on hanging my rope over there, which I don't know if you can see it. See those right there? See those pink? That's my napkin in the morning. And I have a pabunang that I sit on. And then I have the other pink part there, which goes across my lap to catch rice as it drops from my mouth so it doesn't get on my G1. Today, I'm gonna wash something called a sabong, which are these pants, basically. It's just a piece of cloth, but you roll it a specific way and you tie it a specific way, and it comes with a belt with a string on it that you tie. This is my flashlight because there are a lot of snakes and critters around here. At night, when you walk around in the jungle, you definitely want a flashlight. This is why you need a flashlight when you're walking around. There are poisonous snakes, because here's what it looks like when you don't have a flashlight. Yeah, don't get no blacker than that. And then this is the key to my room. What? A monastery? You lock your room? Isn't everybody religious? Hey, we're in the jungle. There are little villages here. They're quite a ways away, but there are a couple rice farmers and stuff, and they're not crooks or anything, but I don't have any reason to suspect I'm worried about anything, but other people do it, so I'm doing it. But anyway, let's wash some clothes. I'm just gonna wash some socks and my sabong, which are kind of like pants. Oh, ma ha ma. มาปกติหรือยังโอ้ยมันไม่กินข้าวมา10 วันถ้าคนตายโอ้ย10 วันน่าสงสารยาให้มันกินไม่หาย Ooh, that monk, the guy who asked me why I'm washing outside because of the bubbles. I mean, I can understand why I'm washing outside. I can understand the question because this is right when the mosquitoes come out and it's dark. It's getting dark right now, so you're hanging up your clothes right at the worst time. But he's been taking care of a dog that's been sick. He said it's been eating less or nothing really for the last 10 days. The doctor gave it medicine, the veterinarian gave it medicine, and it didn't work. So that was him walking by just now, the monk with the doctor, the monk who's been looking after the dog. Every day when we sit down to eat, he takes off with his food, and he goes to look after that poor dog. To Buddhist people, there's an animal mind and there is a human mind. The human mind questions everything, judges. An animal mind, like a dog, looks at you. The dog doesn't care if you're rich or poor. If you're absolutely homeless and on the street, he doesn't see somebody rich and go, hey, I'll just go move over to that dude. The dog is going to stay with the person he knows and loves, no matter what. Doesn't care if you're fat, skinny, black, white, Asian, rich, poor. You walk around naked. Dog don't care. Dog's gonna stick with you. That's an animal mind. Human mind judges, second guesses, desires, wants things that we can't have. So it's very noble to me that this monk is putting so much care into looking after this dog. But these dogs, I mean, they're really free out here. That could be a whole nother video. We don't give them tick baths and, clip their nails and all that kind of stuff. They live like dogs. They live like wild animals, but in synergy with humans. We eat whatever we're going to eat. We go throughout our day, and what's left over that we don't want to eat, we throw it out there, and if they want to eat it, they can. If they want to go catch a bird, they can. One thing that was pretty cool, we were gone 3 days. We visited another jungle wat, and that place was pretty cool. Not as remote as where we are here, but it was a really cool looking place. And they had a lot more wildlife, a lot more wild chickens, and did I see a cat or two out there? I don't remember. But anyway, the animals out here are not 100% reliant on people. They come and go as they please. But it was pretty neat when we got back from the 3 days at the other jungle monastery. They were so happy to see the head monk. Hopefully I have a clip of it. I'll throw it in right here. They just ran up to the door of the van, and they were doing the equivalent of hugging him and kissing him. I mean, they were just ecstatic, just joyous, obviously, to see him. Excited, the master's back home. I hear somebody saying KRUBA. Uni, KRUBA. Somebody's calling me. Monks call each other KRUBA. If they're senior, over 5 years as a monk, it's Ajahn. Under 5 years, it's KRUBA. Alai? ผ้าที่ผมซักสีชมพูอยู่ในห้องอยู่ในกุฏิโอเคไปเอาที่นู่นโอเค We just got back from Bin Tabat and set up the Sala area, the main hall, to get ready for the eating ceremony. And the other day, Ajahn, the lead monk, asked me to wash some of the cloths that we use for setting on our lap and cloth napkins. And he was looking for those. They're in my room, in my kuti. So I'm going to get those, head to the sala, and I guess I'm done filming.